Your new office will be an amazing improvement. More room for staff and growing your business. And that new office needs a network designed to meet your team's needs and scale your business. Stay Zen when you partner with Network Zen for your network installation. Every network installation starts with a detailed consultation to understand your needs. Beginning with a site walkthrough, a site survey, where we look at a layout of your environment and plan the best locations for your wireless access points, cabling, and network equipment. During installation, our team is courteous and thorough while setting up access points for optimal signal coverage, installing fiber cabling for high-speed connections, and mounting network racks and cabinets for equipment organization. No need to stress about performance. We validate and test cabling to ensure your network is running at peak efficiency. This step is crucial to avoid future connectivity issues. Then, we clean up. A well-organized network closet where cables are laid cleanly isn't just about aesthetics. It allows for efficient troubleshooting and maintenance. The result? An efficient, reliable network that you and your business deserve. Looking for more insights into the world of network installation? Drop us a line today to get started.